Subscribe our channel to get all the latest sports news updates first of all, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. The 13th edition of the Indian Premier League is less than a month away. Everything is already fine. The tournament will start from September 19th. All 8 teams have already arrived in the United Arab Emirates, and players from each team are currently in quarantine. Each team has started their mandatory self-isolation. With cricket set to resume after a long 6 months, every team is trying to keep their players perfectly fit. Similarly, Kolkata Knight Riders team management has recently appointed a coach to keep their players fully fit. So friends, in today's video, we will find out who is the newly appointed strength and conditioning coach of Kolkata Knight Riders. Before that, if you like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Former Olympic sprinter Chris Donaldson has recently been appointed as the strength and conditioning coach of Kolkata Knight Riders team. The Kolkata Knight Riders franchisee is all set to become the IPL champions for the 3rd time this year. The 2-time champions want to break the trend of not winning the IPL trophy once in the last 5 years. This year, the team has a good balance and the team is led by Dinesh Karthik. Donaldson played for New Zealand in the 1996 and 2000 Olympic Games. He also played in the 1998 and 2006 Commonwealth Games. He was part of the 4x100-meter relay squad, which is still an international record. After retiring, he coached the New Zealand national cricket team for 8 years. He has assured that he will prepare all the players of Kolkata Knight Riders for the IPL 2020 season through his special bedroom workout routine. On Monday, Kolkata Knight Riders head coach Brendan McCullum said on their official website, "I never tell my players to do what I can't do myself. So, since I can't exercise as well as they do, I have to take other measures." He also said, "I have heard that practice shirts and coaches' shirts will be very tight this year. So, I want to let you know in advance that I am not too fat." McCullum said that he is enjoying every moment of training time and the players are also very excited. The UAE is a place where the temperature is always a little high and it makes the body tired very quickly. Meanwhile, Kolkata Knight Riders bowling coach Kyle Mills responded, "Even if you spend a lot of time trying to catch him, you will never get it. He is a very amazing person and very professional. I think we will benefit from him." Andre Russell, known as the best T20 player of all time, has been associated with Kolkata Knight Riders for a long time. This devastating cricketer is one of the favorites of the franchises, and that is why he is caught with a lot of more money from every auction. Recently, KKR CEO Venki Mysore revealed that Andre Russell is Michael Jordan of Brendan McCullum's T20 cricket. However, another favorite star cricketer of the Kolkata Knight Riders, Sunil Narine, is not far behind Andre Russell. Narine has been associated with the Kolkata Knight Riders since 2012, and for the first few seasons he stunned everyone with his ball. The role of Sunil Narine in being the Kolkata champion in 2012 and 2014 is undeniable. But in recent years, Sunil Narine has established himself as one of the best all-rounders. Russell's statistics are completely different and the best in T20 cricket. There is no room to talk about his skills and category. Last year, he scored a total of 1080 runs in all T20 matches. His strike rate was 182.12. None of the other 500-run batsmen have matched Russell in such speed. Of Russell's 1080 runs, 510 came at a strike rate of 204.81. Andre Russell and Sunil Narine are both currently playing for Jamaica Talawas and Trinbago Knight Riders in the Caribbean Premier League. The two star players of Kolkata Knight Riders will be seen playing in the IPL tournament in the United Arab Emirates from September 19th this year. The final match of the tournament will be held on 10th November. So friends, share this video to your friends and let them know too. Thanks for watching.